Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So today in this video I'm going to basically do one English speaking practice. So today I've just read one book which is related to trading field, and particularly on this book basically I've read it 5 to 10 times, and I've just expressed my basically knowledge whichever I have learned from the books. I just want to like express it in the YouTube because that is how basically I can improve myself more, because the more we read it and we actually need to basically express it as read. So if I talk about like in trading business, particularly if I talk about, there is lot of people who are coming nowadays, but previously there is like past to 5 years back, there is not that much of craze such as currently running on. But yeah, there are still people who are like investing and doing trading activities, right? So if I talk about myself, like I've been on like trading past couple of years, you can say 4 years, and still I didn't able to like get the result which I'm looking for. But yeah, this field is very vast, right? That is you can basically see the moon, right? And but you cannot able to catch it by your hand. So that is how the trading look like. So it is very simple, you need to buy and sell. But when it comes to the basically result, we cannot able to get that. It is happening to me as well, because I'm also a learner of trading as well, right? So yeah, this is very vast field. Initially days, when I feel like it is too simple, very easy to get it, I always lose more money than I think. Basically in this field, you need to have a humble mindset, and you need to have a solid belief, because in every day-to-day basis you get hit by your stop loss, and you will lose lot of you will lose money. So whenever like you think you have achieved, basically you learned it, that time you get a hit from the market. So yeah, always whenever like a streak, like in trading like business, there is a streak going on, like 5 to 6 times you win. So then after you are going to hit major setbacks, and you will like start from the beginning. So that is how the things work. And one thing which I want to tell you, there is like after coming to the financial market, I learned that there is nothing which can teach you more than losing your money. So yeah, once you lose money, then you realize that what is more important, and you can basically take things seriously, because once you realize that money is very limited you have, but still you are wasting in some sort of activities which are not related to your field and career. So you will realize that you are ruining yourself. So this is the harsh reality which I've learned it. And but still, if you are fighting with the market, so it will take everything whatever you have. So this is a crazy truth which I've learned after like 3 to 4 years, right? So that's why I take it very very easily. By I don't want to like pressure myself, as like in this YouTube channel I never like try to upload multiple videos on one day, because I can do that. But if I talk about a natural growth, that cannot comes by uploading that. So it is a period, we need to understand that in not in a single day, but one day we can reach to the point where we want to. So on this video, that is it. I hope